In this video, I will show you how to easily track your task progress when using ChatGPT Codex to keep your projects organized and moving forward. Many people dive into the workspace and start sending commands without realizing there's a built-in tracking system designed to keep you updated in real time. When you send a task or a series of instructions to the engine, you do not have to guess what is happening behind the scenes. Instead, just look directly below your workspace input bar where everything starts coming together. In this specific area, a running log will appear that lists every single task you have created in a clear sequential order. This log serves as your central command center for monitoring activity as the AI processes your requests. Each new entry appears as soon as you hit enter, which means you can watch the workflow build piece by piece. If you are working on a complex coding project or a long-form document, this chronological list helps you verify that each step was triggered correctly and in the right department of your workspace. It eliminates the confusion of wondering if a command went through or where you are in a long sequence of instructions. By keeping an eye on this log, you can identify exactly which tasks are finished and which ones are still in progress. This simple habit makes managing large workloads much more efficient because you never lose your place in the development cycle. Now you are ready to master your workflow and stay on top of every detail.